It's 312 Taylor Lane in the upscale Tiffany community. Come on in, let's see.
Located at 2897 Highway 41.
To 113 LaGrange Place in Macon, Georgia.
40 Falcon Crest. We are tucked away safely.
2897 Highway 41. This home is 3,261 square foot.
Castlegate Road. This house is in a wonderful court, which is in Camden North Subdivision, and 12 Arden's Lane.
This is 455 Light and Tie Road. This home sits on
111 Chalet Cove in the exclusive Grove Point subdivision.
Look, welcome to 130 Woodcrest Court. This home is nothing short of amazing. Featured
44 Aston Hall in Macon, Georgia. This is a fantastic house in a gated community. A perfect, fabulous family home. Dunedin Court in Macon, Georgia, Glen Mary Subdivision, Estes Road. Chris, tell me how peaceful it is.
This is
Address, but it's a Monroe County listing. It's over 2 acres. It is peaceful, tranquil.
To Villa Teresa, 2694 Stanislaus Circle in Macon, Georgia. Chris is coming in under the magnolia tree. This is a
beautiful, custom-built, 4,309 square foot brick home.
solid brick, fantastic, 4 bedrooms, 455 Vista Circle. This is in Midtown Macon, Georgia. Here it is, so you better hurry. 651 Chastain Place. This house is perfect. It's exactly what you want.